Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing both devices and turning the source device into a hotspot. First, make sure your phone has cellular data and recent OS updates. This prevents driver and compatibility issues. Next, open Settings, go to Personal Hotspot, assign a clear SSID and create a strong password so unauthorized users cannot join. Choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, then toggle the hotspot on. Once done, keep an eye on carrier data limits so you do not exceed your plan. Now you connect and fine-tune the receiving device. On the receiver, open Wi-Fi, scan for the hotspot SSID, then enter the password exactly, including capitalization and symbols. This avoids repeated failures. If Wi-Fi fails, make a USB tether or pair via Bluetooth for a stable link. Enable USB tethering in settings and trust the computer if prompted. After connecting, set a data limit or an automatic timeout in the hotspot settings and enable client isolation or firewall options to keep other users from accessing your devices. Finish by verifying the connection and cleaning up temporary settings. You should open a browser, load several pages, and run a quick speed check to confirm throughput. This tells you if you need 5 GHz or a wired tether. Then remove unused clients, save the hotspot profile on the receiver for quick reconnection, and keep monitoring data usage. If anything goes wrong, the simplest troubleshooting is to restart both devices. Toggle airplane mode on. Wait 10 seconds, then disable it and re-enable the hotspot. That often resolves IP or DNS issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.